Hi, I'm Gene. I'm an ER tech at St. Francis Regional.
Hi, my name is Rocky, and I'm a health unit coordinator at Mercy Hospital.
Today was the third day that we met with Allina to negotiate our contract. We came to the table expecting to negotiate for things that we need and deserve to do our jobs. But Allina made it very clear that they are not going to give us anything without a fight. Our demands are reasonable. We asked for necessities like hero pay, which they said was not appropriate, adequate staffing for the patient's safety and our own, racial justice, equity, and inclusion, recognition of MLK Day and additional religious holidays, and protection of our members during pandemics and emergencies.
When we proposed solutions for racial justice, equity, and inclusion, Allina told us that contract negotiations weren't the appropriate place to resolve these issues. They gave no counter proposals and showed no interest in discussing this important matter. For real progress to be made, we need a real commitment from the employer that gives us a voice to be a part of the dialogue in creating a more equitable and just workplace. 58% of SEIU members at Allina are people of color, more than any other part of Allina workforce. We deserve to be a part of the discussion around racial justice and inclusion at Allina. In the past, my coworkers and I have brought racial issues to Allina's diversity, equity, and inclusion leader. But then they didn't address our serious concerns.
Time and time again, Allina has reiterated their position of loyalty and fairness to us, their employees. But on issue after issue, from safety to diversity, nothing has changed. We are asking for Allina to bargain with us and work with us on creating a workplace that is fair, equitable, and safe for all of us. Allina said their commitment to inclusivity and diversity cannot be challenged. Their refusal to engage with any of our proposals shows their lack of commitment to any real success of their supposed diversity and inclusion goals.
Allina must negotiate with us. We are not going to accept no for an answer. There is no reason these corporate executives cannot give our families the basic things we need and deserve: safety, respect, and fair pay.
We give our blood, sweat, and tears to our patients at the hospital every day. We've come to work every day through this pandemic despite being subjected to simultaneous mental health crises. We've held the hands of dying patients and held iPads for them so that they can remotely meet with their loved ones. We've seen it all. Every day, after each shift, we go home exhausted and mentally drained, while Allina executives manage us from the comfort and safety of their own homes and shamelessly tell us that hero pay isn't appropriate.
The bargaining team does not have the power alone. All of us together as SEIU members do. They cannot run the hospital without us. It's time to show Allina that all SEIU members are paying attention and we are ready to do whatever it takes. We need to wear purple every time we work. Show them that you are watching them during negotiations. Show them that we will be heard.
Healthcare workers on the front line of the global pandemic are simply demanding what we have rightfully deserved. For the employer to give us the pay that we deserve, respect our diversity, and to keep us and our patients safe at work. We know that these employers and executives have the resources and the money to do those things because we've seen their wages. Our negotiating team is holding strong, but we cannot do it alone. For us to get the contract that we deserve, we need everyone to stand together.
As healthcare workers, we are committed to giving the best care our patients deserve, as we have done throughout this pandemic. And in order for us to continue giving the best care possible, we need our employers to respect us, protect us, and pay us. We need to show these employers that we are sick and tired of them not valuing and respecting our contributions. And that will only be possible when we demand what we deserve. Because when we fight, we win.